Welcome to Home of Math. For O-level math practice, today we are going to simplify the fractions. Let's start. Here is 3 fractions. Now we try to simplify. First one, x square plus 18x plus 80. So this one we can write, look, x square plus 10x plus 8x plus 80. So 80 is a constant. 10 times 8 means 80. Again 10x plus 8x means 18x. Similar, here is x square plus 8x plus 7x plus 56. Look, 8 times 7 means 56. Similar, 8x plus 7x means 15x. Divide second fractions. Look, here is x square plus 5x minus 50. This one we can write x square plus 10x minus 5x minus 50. How? 10 times 5 means 50. 10x minus 5x means plus 5x. Similar, here is x square plus 7x minus x minus 7. Here is x square plus 6x minus 7. So 7 times 1 means 7. Again 7x minus x means plus 6x. Okay. Divide, here is x minus 1, divide x minus 5. Okay. Now we will take common. Here is x, so x plus 10 plus 8 common, x plus 10. Divide x common, x plus 8 plus 7 common, x plus 8. Divide x common, x plus 10 minus 5 common, again x plus 10. Divide x common, x plus 7 minus 1 common, x plus 7, right? Divide, here is x minus 1, divide x minus 5. So here is x plus 10 common, so x plus 10 times x plus 8, again x plus 8 times x plus 7. So we can do one thing. Here is division sign, we can use product sign. So here is x plus 7 times x minus 1. This denominator become numerator and numerator become denominator. So here is x plus 10 divide x minus 5. Similar product sign. So this x minus 5 become numerator and denominator will become x minus 1. Now we will find out what kinds of thing we can out. Look, here is x minus 5, x minus 5, right? Here is x minus 1, x minus 1, x plus 10, x plus 10, x plus 7, x plus 7, x plus 8, x plus 8. So result will be only 1. So this is our simplification of these fractions. Hope you understand this one. If you have any problem regarding this math, just put on your comments in comments box, and don't forget subscribe the channel. Thank you.